Hey there! Today I want to talk about Palantir. I bought a lot of call options today and I currently have 1,800 shares at an average price of $26.97. That's a bit high, but I'm very confident that this stock will double this year. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people who are interested in talking about stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and anything and everything in between. We already have 40 members, so come over, collaborate with us, learn new strategies, and let's grow our portfolios together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well, and I just started a new 10K challenge. Check out my link down below if you guys are interested. So Palantir, we take a look at the 6 months chart. It's not pretty. We see that it broke out of this triangle, went all the way up to $45, came back down, and right now we are at very strong supports of around $22.74. There's going to be a lot of volatility short term, but if you're planning to hold this long term, it's a good time to buy in. And let's take a look at my call options. I bought 2 of the June 22-25 strike price. I paid $600 each for this. And then next we have a 45 strike price, also expires in June of 2022. So that gives us about a year or so for the stock to go up. And also 2023, this is a 30 strike price. I paid $656. I bought 4 contracts. And then we have 65 strike price, expires in 2023. I paid $270 for 5 contracts. So those are all up right now, and they can only go higher if the stock price goes up. So we'll have to wait and see. Thankfully, they'd expire in a year. And then we have cash secure puts. I want to acquire more stocks. I want to make it at least 2,000. So that's why I sold cash secure puts, and possibly I can get it at a discount. I received $84. So instead of me paying for the option buyer is paying me. And then we have a 28 strike price. So this one I have been rolling over for the past month because it's below my strike price. And I would only want to get a sign if the stock is around where my strike price is at. So I'm hoping that it'll close below 28 so that I can get a sign. So over the last year, the company's business has soared. It signed deals related to the vaccine rollouts, and the company has separate platforms, the Gotham and Foundry, that offer a solution for commercial and government businesses. Also, Palantir is selected by the National Nuclear Security Administration for infrastructure, Office of Safety, and operations for an agreement of $89.9 million for 5 years. Also, it recently won a $90 million Energy Department 5-year contract. It also entered into a 6-year partnership with a leading automotive technology company. The company will use the Foundry software to get insights into the data. These types of contracts justify the valuation and price of the stock. And as the company continues to expand across government and commercial clients, the revenue is only going upwards, and so will Palantir stock. Palantir has been around for 17 years, and they were able to generate $1.1 billion in 2020 without reporting much profit. But in Q4 2020, the company reported a growth in government revenue by 85%, and commercial revenue by 4%, and is constantly making a move towards the expansion of the commercial client base. It reported Q4 revenue of $322 million, which outpaced the expectations of the Wall Street of $301 million. Palantir is expecting a 45% revenue growth for Q1 2021, and it looks like a good possibility that Palantir will achieve that. It also has a strong liquidity position with a cash balance of $2 billion. The company is heavily investing in the business and has enough cash to use while the business expands. I do believe Palantir has a very strong future, and the stock could easily rise in the coming months. But for now, you guys should have this on your watch list and buy in if you have the funds. If not, you can always buy leap calls like what I've been doing, and possibly even sell cash secure puts and get it at a discount. I do see Palantir going to at least $100 in the next couple of years. This is a long-term hold, guys. It can easily go back up to 45 by December. And that's why I've been accumulating as many shares as I possibly can. I want to try to get at least 2,500 shares by summertime. I'm so bullish, I bought a lot of call options and I'm planning to buy more as time goes on. Let me know what you think of Palantir. Hit that like button if you're bullish, and also do consider signing up for the Discord. Hope to see you guys there. I'm going to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.